Good afternoon all. My name is Aiza Fatima. One an apple, one an apple, one an apple just now. Apple eating, apple eating, apple eating just now. Stomach aching, stomach aching, stomach aching just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Doctor coming, doctor coming, doctor coming just now.